Okay guys, so I'm here with a very useful video for you. So recently when I was shopping for some other things in Amazon, I found some really cool jackets for 99 rupees. The cheapest jacket in Amazon. So I was kind of like very curious about it. I was even thinking that the parcel will not come. But here they are. I wanted to open this with you guys. So I'll be adding the picture of the jacket here so you can see how it looked on the website. Okay, so first things first, when I saw the product, it was 99 rupees. I added that into the cart, and when I paid it, it was 200 rupees. It costed me double the amount only for the shipping. So guys, keep that in mind. It's not 99 rupees. The shipping charge is going to add up and it's going to be rupees 200. So let's start the video. I'm so excited for this. And I'm scared too. I'm going to lose my money. And also one more thing guys, these are non-returnable products. And you cannot return this if you do not like them. So the brand name that was there on the Amazon website is not showing anymore in the packet. I'll add the screenshot. So let's open it and we'll get to know what it is. My money is gone, guys. Let's see what I got for a jacket. I don't know which is this one from the 3 I ordered. Okay, so the first one is done. So this is the paper that came with it. I don't know which language this is. So yeah, let's open this one and see. I'm having the same feeling like the other one because this is also really small packet for a jacket. Thank God this time I got a full sari. It smells dirty. Oh, I'll have to take a bath after this. So what's the next jacket? Okay guys, so last and the final product. I have high hopes for this, maybe because it's thicker. It's thicker. It feels like a jacket. It feels like a jacket, guys. Let's open it and see. They didn't even have a good packet for this. I'm going to mention all the brand names and the products in the description and in the screen and everywhere. Don't buy guys. So clearly, as you guys can see, this is non-returnable, and even if it was returnable, I couldn't return it because I cannot return this product for a jacket. Clearly you can see that I have wasted my money, but this was for a good cause and I did this for you guys, so you guys don't waste your money on these kind of things. Everything was a scam, and when you purchase on Amazon, do check the reviews and see if it's a genuine product and then buy it. And please do not buy seeing the price of the product. And yeah, I was so curious about these products and I know some of you guys will also be. So I hope this helped, and do not waste your money guys. And the intention of this video was to only help you guys and not blame anyone. And also a quick advice for Amazon. Please inquire about your sellers and don't allow such scam to happen in your website. This can actually break the trust on Amazon for so many people. I hope in future Amazon resolves this problem.
So guys, a quick update. I did reach out to the customer care and told the issue, and they were kind enough to refund the amount of the products to me after I uploaded a picture of what I got. So hope you guys found this video helpful, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.